Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, maths tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given Vivek invests rupees 4,500 in 8% rupees 10 shares at rupees 15. He sells the shares when the price rises to rupees 30. So we need to find the sale proceeds and the number of 125 shares he buys, and then change in annual income from the dividend. So let's find the number of shares first. Number of shares is equals to the total amount he invested divided by the share value, which is 15. So we will get 300 shares. Now find the total face value. The total face value is equals to the number of shares into a share value. Here the share value is 10. So the total face value is a 300 into a 10, which is 3,000 rupees. Okay, so the total face value is 3,000 rupees. Now find the dividend. The dividend given, which is 8%. So 8% of 3,000 is the dividend. So 8%, which means 8 by 100 into 3,000. So if we divide 3,000 by 100, we'll get 30. So 30 times of 8 is 240. So rupees 240. The dividend is 240 rupees. Given he sells the shares when the price rises to rupees 30. When the price rises to 30 rupees. So which means he has 300 shares, and if he sell one share for 30 rupees, he will get 9,000 if he sells 300 shares. So which is the amount he will get if he sells the 300 shares. So which we can written as the amount received on selling 300 shares equals to 300 shares into 30 rupees, which is 9,000 rupees. So the sales proceeds is 9,000. Now let's move to a second part of this question. So which is number of shares he buys if the rate is 125 rupees. So the number of shares he buys. So the total amount is 9,000. So the share value is 125. So if we divide now 9,000 by 125, we'll get the number of shares he will buy So he bought 72 125 rupees shares. Now find the final part of this question, so which is the change in annual income from the dividend. So he invests 12% of 100 rupees of rupees 125 shares. So he invests the proceeds in 12% of rupees 100 rupees and 125 rupees shares. So which is the dividend? We need to find the dividend, the total face value before that. So the total face value is 72 shares. So 72 into 100. 100 is the share value. So 72 shares into rupees 100 per share. So which is 7,200 rupees. So this is the total face value of 72 shares. Now find the dividend. So dividend is the 12% of 7,200. So 12% of 7,200 is, we'll get 12 by 100 into 7,200. So here if we divide 7,200 by 100, we'll get 72. So 12 times of 72 is 864. So the dividend value is rupees 864. Now find the change in income. Change in his income in annually. So change in his annual income is rupees 864 minus the dividend of the total face value, which is 240. So rupees 864 minus rupees 240. So if you subtract this, we'll get the change in his annual income, which is rupees 624. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.